Best award year after year with its spacious interior, driver-friendly road manners, and impeccable build quality. For 2023, it wins a 10 Best award yet again for its stunning overall competence. The Accord is all new for the 2023 model year, and it wears an elegant design that's arguably the prettiest ever applied to Honda's venerable family sedan. The hybrid powertrain has become a more significant part of the Accord lineup for this new generation, as it's standard on all but the two least expensive trims. Those two, the LX and X, are powered by the familiar 192 HP turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder gas engine carried over from the outgoing model, and they come exclusively with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. The upper trims are all powered by a new 204 HP four-cylinder hybrid system borrowed essentially intact from the CR-V. The Accord's designers have complemented the handsome exterior styling by sprucing up the cabin with design elements borrowed from the recently redesigned Civic, CR-V, and HR-V, including honeycomb pattern dash trim that hides the air vents and a freestanding rectangular infotainment display sprouting from the top of the instrument panel. Speaking of infotainment, the 2023 Accord features a host of updated tech, including a new standard digital gauge display and an available 12.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Accord's LX and X trims are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 192 horsepower and drives the front wheels through a CVT. Like previous generations of the Accord, the 2023 model does not offer all-wheel drive. The hybrid powertrain takes a more prominent position in the lineup. It consists of a 2.0-liter four-cylinder and two electric motors that combine for 204 horsepower, and it's the only powertrain offered on Sport, XL, Sport L, and Touring models. Honda says it has tweaked the suspension and steering in its family sedan to improve both ride quality and handling. But during our brief test drive in a pre-production hybrid example, we couldn't really tell much difference from the previous generation model. And that's okay, as the 2023 Accord remains as refined and fun to drive as ever. We'll assess the new Accord in more depth when we get a production car to test, and we'll update this story with any new information we've gleaned. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. According to the EPA, the 2023 Accord Hybrid is good for 51 mpg city and 48 mpg highway.